Greetings, everybody. This is Impossible Super with the third episode of Car Manufacture Playthrough. In our last episode, we had set up these 4 assembly lines to build 2 sportier versions of the cars and our family version of Lexus and Corvette. Today I'm going to try to set up the assembly lines a bit so it's not so messy as is. Also got the 4 sales zones here for 1 each, and then we had our employee zone and the research zone over here where we are researching the next blueprint here. So let's see. If I want to make use of this space, I was thinking maybe I could put a car park here so that people would just walk in the sales zone. If they want to buy, they just walk to the front over here, take the car and drive away. And then we can use this part over here to create the assembly lines. I don't plan to have too many different variations of the cars at the same time, so maybe I don't need more than, or let's say maybe more than 5 sales zones. So I'm gonna move these 2 zones over here like that. Hold on to let's put it here for now, and then the research zone as well, and go over there. Okay, let's try to build a new building for our assembly line. So it's yay big to be alright. Maybe let's take it different, because we did see that some of the customers were complaining about the quality of the model, so I might want to put the workshop right here somewhere, so that when the cars come up the assembly line they can just go here to improve their quality, and then they can be driven like that. Or we can make the assembly lines like this and have the cars come out over here, and then just put the workshop in the here and car park over there. That's supposed to do. Okay, let's do that. So I'm gonna try to make use of this whole space. Now we'll start putting the first assembly. I will put the automated assembler, or what's it called? I think it's called robotic arms. Yeah, robot or assembly trains. So I'm gonna try to put them just on one side. So in this case, they'll stay here, and then for the next assembly, they'll just sit over here. Do we leave a lot of gap between the stations or not? How many stations can we put together? So the first one gave us 2 station connections. Second one will give us 4, and there's 5 of them, so maybe around 8, 10. Yeah, probably 10. I don't think if we really need 10 stations, to be honest. But let's see. I increase this a bit more. Let's say, oh yeah, up to this point. I just want to make sure that wherever I put them, they'll be like in line with this door, because I can't use the same door for all assembly lines, and they cannot go like side by side. So let's do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 would be good. Okay, let's see. I think I've already messed this up. No, we good. Okay. So right now we can only put 2 stations. I think I'm just gonna leave maybe 2 spaces in between. That should be okay for now. and 50 as well. I was thinking like if I leave 3 or 4 mag gaps here, then we could have a car being assembled here, a car stopped here, because there's going to be another one being assembled here for the rest of the parts. But maybe it's not really essential. Maybe I just put them like this. Assemble one over here, then that moves over here to the second station, and the first station can start assembling the other one. Yeah, probably that's better. You can keep the space users to the north. Okay, we do have a test station. Let's just put it to the very last. And for now, because I only have mechanic, how much can I unlock it? I need to unlock this. Let's do this 1500. I got 6,500, and then this is how much is that? Tell me. Okay, 3,000. If I unlock it, let's see how much does it cost me to place them. Okay. So the first one, the crane assembly arm, has only capacity of 6 units. I don't know what the weight unit is here, but like if we come here, we look in the storage. This is the capacity, so it's got 100 units. When we are setting up the order, if I pick, let's say, lecture, and say want to have 2 of each part in here, that's already 16.9, so like 17 units. So we roughly half it. Okay. So the thing is that some of these parts in the first station are going to be very light. Some can be a bit heavy. We look here, for instance. That would be okay for the first round, but in this case, this will exceed the container capacity for that smaller arm, and I don't have money. Actually, I don't have money for the smaller arms either. Let's just hope that we sell some cars. But I was thinking that to start, I just place the smallest arm on the second station, so that mechanics could still do the heavy lifting, and the second station would only do enough parts that it can contain 2 parts per each. That should be a good start for now, and then later on when we have money to get these expensive arms with more capacity, we can make use of them. But right now, I don't have much money. I'm gonna stop this line to produce some more, and also maybe this one. So they'll finish up what they are doing here. So they want start a car. What I want to do is I will move these 2 lines first over here. Correct, and I think it was aspire 2, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I now order them here, but I think, do I need to place a storage? I think it will be needed for mechanics, and once we got the cranes, they will just put the parts in the crane storage, so I don't need the dedicated storage space. Yeah, okay. We are selling some cars, so it's going to speed up a bit, so I have some money. Okay. See how it looks. I'm gonna take the basic or the cheapest main assembly. Okay, can't put more than one anyway on one side. Okay, buy one for now, and time being I do need storage because I will still be using the mechanics, so I'll just use this place here for now. Okay, make a order for Corvette twice, and make a order for Sky 2 with twice the number of parts, then the baseline, or let's do that, and this one goes in the crane. Now I found a way to create the orders for crane usually by doing this automatically set orders in a robot. It can do even split, or the fast one fills up to the max, but before that let's try to divide this. So we can do 8 parts in 5 parts. How much would this be after 3.2? Maybe can do this. I'm trying to minimize the work that the mechanics have to do, but obviously I want to have all the parts that are needed for this crane's job to be here twice the amount. So this is still good. I'm gonna try to jump here. I'm probably going to be too much. No, you're good. Okay. So the mechanics only need to put 4 of these parts, and then the rest is going to be everything done by this crane. That's good. Now, where are you going? Don't tell me you have to walk all the way. Why can't you just go across? That's so weird. Because I have seen them going over the belt before. Anyway, so I'm gonna start production of that over here. This is almost completed. We got the new blueprint unlocked as well. So I did say in the beginning that I want to sell one. So every car, whenever it's released, it will be selling for the next 3 years, and then we'll replace it with this next variant. But I'm thinking that might be too long. 3 years. I don't know. People are still buying it, but recently they were complaining about the bad models. So I don't know if that's just because the quality of production was bad, or if they are complaining that, oh, this car is too old now, we need to see some better models or something. I don't know. Let's see. If we keep selling them, then I'll keep making them. If we start selling them, then obviously we'll move on to the next variant of that car. Now, we've got rid of this, which means from here, we don't need this order, this, and then there's this one, I think, yeah, don't need that either. This is so that they're not unnecessarily filling up this storage, because I want them to move parts over here now. Okay. Now, okay. Did I have it? I did. Okay, I'm gonna unassign the mechanics from here so we can do one of the job and one of the lines. This one is also finished, so from this storage removing orders for that line. Okay, and I think there's going to be some parts which are not going to be used anymore, so I'll hold and use. And we can get rid of that's big. Okay. I wish there was a way to move these platforms, like we can move the buildings around. That would save a lot of money, but we can't do that, unfortunately. So, get rid of you and get rid of you as well. Okay, you two keep doing that while we try to set up this. Did I place the orders for the second line there as well? Not yet, okay. I do have some more money now. Let's buy one more arm for this line. And let's set this up as well. So we got 29 parts needed for this. If I put it here, let's see. Oh, I can. Can I put it a bit more? Let's try that. This is more than its capacity now. Okay. I just do here. That should be okay. Alright. Do that, and then I think I'm gonna need this one. Okay. And we can start this fourth line as well. Okay. So next we will remove Electa from here and pass that on over there as well. Okay. And this line is going to produce Electa. And try over here maybe. Yeah, we can still do that. I'm gonna need a storage for this place. Let's do it over here. And then this storage can be shared for this and the fourth line as well. So for here, give me 2 parties for Electa, and then give me an order for that station. You already have your order, yes? Okay, and start. I'm gonna make you stop producing that and make you stop producing that. Okay, try to set up the next one here. Okay. Now, put the crane over here as well. Can I? Yeah. Okay, so this is going to produce fire, and we receive an order for fire to 2 parts, then let's see, comes down to work like that. Yep, that's enough. Can maybe try to bump it up. That's right. And we need an order for this here, and there you go. Okay, you are done, so I'm gonna try to get rid of this. Just realized if I just delete this without deleting these, I lose money. So if I remove that, I get $75 back. If I just get rid of this, I'll only get 100. So that's why I'm deleting them one at a time. Okay, so that's storage. You don't need anything from there, so I'll do that order, delete that, sell everything, and then we can sell them. This one is still going 70% done, 30 remaining. Okay, let's just finish that before I delete that. Starting production there anyway. Hey, come on, finish it. Once that's done, we can set up the car park, which is on the opposite of the sales zone. Let's go. 96% done, almost there. Oh, did we just sell everything from there? That's cool. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay. Can I just make use of that? Okay. Can I put them the opposite way as well? Alright. And then we can extend it to roughly this way. Make use of these parking bays there, because I'm not worried about this anyway. There you go. Now I'm gonna, I should have kept that parking, because I'm gonna leave this here for the cars that are not good quality. If we get repair workshop is 8,000, I can afford that. Okay, can I build it though? I'll ask the question. No, okay, we can do that. So I have to do this, and if we have room, we can do that. Accommodate a few more cars over there. So I can now say that all the cars that are unknown to decent quality, they can come here, and if the quality is less than good, which is everything that's in the car park, send them to the repair workshop. And I don't want to sell vehicles that are parked on this car park. Then for this we can say that we only want cars that are better than the good quality. So everything from good to excellent goes here, that we can then sell, so nobody should be complaining more about the bad quality of our cars. Right. New blueprint that we got is a luxury. That's new category for us now. What do we call it? Command Environmental Sally. Maybe Sally is good. We look through the tiers. This is a tier 3. We are building. No, we just unlocked the Alex. That's tier 2. Okay, so that replace Corvette, and then Electra. Please can replace Electra. How we jumped Electra too, because this was a tier 3 car. Now I want to make this line as our main lineup, so no matter what category the vehicle is of, everything that shows up over here, we will build those vehicles on this line. Then I'm gonna call this one 4. And this one can be Ford, so like a lighter engine. So for instance, right now we're building the Aspire, which is 12.8 engine, 12.8 leaf engine. There's an Aspire 2 that is only like 7.8. So there are myself that's producing actor. Alexa is, I think it's also a family, yeah, it's family. And in here we can do family. I'm not sure if luxury is going to appear here as well, but let's say we can do the family variant of the cars. I'm just doing it actually, so that's going to all that. So you can be family category from the wild card, and you can be the lighter version of the sport. I'm calling these wild cards because I don't know what is going to unlock here. We have the main lineup here, and then here we get just random blueprints. Maybe the next research will give me, I don't know, a family category car or a luxury or a sport. So I can't really determine their order. They're just up here. And then from here we know that every time we do research from the main lineup, we will always get the next car. So to have some more space here, we can maybe later produce more variant of cars if needed. I'll have that room there so that if we need to put the gate here, there's enough room for the cars to get out. Okay, that one just went through the workshop, and these two are here because one is poor and one is decent, so the drivers should be moving them from the workshop to these car parks. I think I need to hire more drivers now because they're busy doing that, and they're not bringing cars here where we are actually selling them. Okay. Yeah, making money. So I will eventually add the heaviest cranes over here so that I don't need mechanics for these storage places, because then the parts will just land in the trains on containers. And let's pick the new blueprint, which is going to be from the main lineup, a CSV car. So we already got the wild, which I called Electra 3, and then now we will keep the this one. And I'm still selling the Corvette, so I don't know if it's a good idea to just keep selling it, or as soon as I unlock the next variant, I just replace the previous version of the car with the newer to start reducing that. We have been selling this for 2 years now anyways. Wait, one. I think we get almost 3 years mark, because if this was January 85, then full 85 years, and full 86 years, and now we're just going through the 87. Okay, so in the next episode we'll stop selling Corvettes, and I'll bump the production of Corvette to Alice. Yeah. And this will give us a bunch more money compared to what Corvette is doing now. I really wish there was a better way to increase the price instead of me going through the click. Anyway, that's all for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next one.